Hey, tech fans! You're tuned into your daily dose of tech awesomeness with me. Today's roundup from TechRSSCentral.com is loaded with game changers, AI breakthroughs, shiny new gadgets, and more. Let's dive into the top 5 stories right now. No time to waste. First up, AI's taking a massive leap. A new report says the global AI agent market could skyrocket from $5 billion last year to over $216 billion by 2035. That's a wild 4% growth rate annually. Think smarter chatbots, virtual assistants, and maybe even AI bosses. The future's coming fast, folks. Next, Samsung just dropped two budget-friendly 5G beasts, the Galaxy M16 and M06. Both pack a 50-megapixel camera and a 5,000 milliamp battery. Perfect for snapping pics and scrolling all day. Prices haven't been spilled yet, but these could be your wallet's new best friends. Number 3. India's eyeing an on-demand EV factory. New guidelines under the SMEC scheme might let manufacturers build electric cars as orders roll in, cutting waste and boosting efficiency. Green tech lovers, this one's for you. India's charging up. Fourth, Nvidia's still got gas in the tank. Analysts say their latest chip innovations are keeping them ahead in the AI and gaming race, with no slowdown in sight. If you're rocking an Nvidia GPU, you're basically living in 2025's fast lane. And finally, a Bengaluru startup's shaking things up with a Rs 40 lakh per year job. No degree required. They're hunting full-stack engineers who can code like champs, proving skills beat paper creds. Internet's buzzing. Could this be the new hiring norm? That's your tech fix for today, straight from TechRSSCentral.com. From AI's insane growth to job offers that ditch the diploma, the tech world's wild right now. What's your favorite story? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button if you're hyped, and hit subscribe for more daily rundowns. You don't want to miss tomorrow's scoop. See you then.